Welcome to English Lexicon Hub. Today, we have a wonderful story about a proud Mara tree and a humble bamboo tree, teaching us an important lesson about flexibility and humility. Let's dive into the story. Once upon a time, on the bank of a peaceful river, stood a big, proud Mara tree and a humble bamboo tree. They were neighbors, but they couldn't have been more different. One day, a strong wind began to blow. The bamboo tree bent low, almost touching the ground, while the Mara tree stood tall and firm. The Mara tree laughed and said, "Look at you, bamboo. You're so weak, bowing down to the wind." The bamboo tree replied calmly, "I may bow down now, but I will rise again tomorrow." The wind continued to blow fiercely, and the bamboo tree kept bending. The Mara tree remained unshaken, feeling superior. When the storm finally passed, the bamboo tree slowly straightened up, standing tall once again, but the Mara tree had suffered. Its branches were broken, and its trunk was scarred. The bamboo tree looked at the Mara tree and said, "Being proud and refusing to bend when needed leads to one's own destruction." The Mara tree, now humbled, understood the wisdom in the bamboo tree's words. This story teaches us that flexibility and humility are strengths. Being too proud and rigid can lead to downfall, while adapting to circumstances helps us rise again stronger. Thank you for watching English Lexicon Hub. Remember, just like the bamboo tree, staying flexible and humble can help us overcome life's challenges. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple and creative English stories. See you next time.